How to find the Instagram full search history. So for this, all you have to do is go ahead and open your Instagram application first and foremost. If it's not updated, make sure to update on time. Now, let's just go ahead and like some of the random posts so that I can show you better. And I will also be leaving a random comment in a post. So right here, as you can see, I've liked and commented a post on Instagram. Now, let's go ahead and open our Reels section and do the same. Like and comment on this random Reels. However, this process is not important to you. Now let me go ahead and show you the important one. First and foremost, you have to tap on your profile icon at the bottom of your screen. From there, you have to tap on the three-line icon at the top. Then head to your activity. Right here, tap on like. In this section, you will find all of your liked posts, reels, and more. Similarly, you can go ahead and check out the comment section to see all of the posts, reels that you have recently commented or even the oldest ones. Then you can tap on the tag section. If someone has tagged you, you will find it right here. Now scroll down from here. Then you can go ahead and tap on recently deleted to see if you have deleted any of the posts, stories, IGTV videos or even reels. Then on to the next step, tap on recent searches to see who or what you have searched for. Then tap on link history. So this is where you will find any link that you have been redirected to from Instagram. So go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.